In additional activities on page 41, there is a little review of coordinate formulas. And then on page 45, you have some graph paper that you can use. So the first thing we're going to do is prove that triangle ABC is a right triangle, or prove it's not a right triangle. You just have to show that there's one right angle. And to do that, you show that the slopes are opposite reciprocals of each other. So if you're trying to show a right angle, use slopes opposite reciprocal. So for angle A, I think that is the right angle just by eyeballing it, but I have to show it. So I have to find the slope of BA, which is the change in y over the change in x, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I start with the point B, and the x is 0 and the y is 3. So I'm going to use 3 for y over, and the y for letter A is 5, so 3 minus 5. And then the x value for B is 0, and the y value, or the x value for A is 4. So this ends up being 3 minus 5, which is negative 2, over negative 4, which is a positive 1/2. So if I want to show that BA is a right angle with AC, then my other slope has to be negative 2, because that's the opposite reciprocal. So let's give it a try. The slope of AC, using the same slope formula, I'm going to say the y for A is 5, the y for C is 1, the x for A is 4, and the x for C is 6. So 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 minus 6 is negative 2, and this is negative 2. And now I can say, since BA is perpendicular to AC, angle A is a right angle. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right triangle. So it's just that easy. If you were going to show that, say, a square was on this graph, you would have to show 4 right angles. But because it's just showing that it's a right triangle, all you need to do is show one right angle and you're done.